How do you make a Gemini man fall in love? Gemini men are curious, clever, and full of energy. Ruled by Mercury, they are natural communicators and thinkers. If you want a Gemini man to fall in love, you'll need more than charm, you'll need to connect with his mind and spirit. He gets bored easily, so keeping things fresh and exciting is key. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's the guide to win his heart. 1. Talk about interesting topics. Gemini men love conversation. Don't just talk about your day, discuss books, ideas, or even strange facts. Keep things smart and lively. 2. Make him laugh. A good sense of humor will grab his attention. Witty jokes and playful banter can draw him closer to you. 3. Be a little mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let him discover new things about you over time. It keeps him interested. 4. Give him space. Gemini men value their freedom. If you try to control him, he'll pull away. Let him have time for himself and his hobbies. 5. Be open and honest. He appreciates clear and smart communication. Say what you feel, but keep it respectful and thoughtful. 6. Keep things exciting. Routine can turn him off. Try new activities, visit different places, and surprise him once in a while. 7. Show your creative side, whether it's painting, writing, or solving problems in new ways. He loves creativity. It makes you more attractive to him. 8. Match his energy. Gemini men are often lively and talkative. Try to keep up with his pace, but stay true to yourself. 9. Stay positive. They enjoy being around cheerful people. If you're often complaining or negative, it can push him away. 10. Be emotionally steady. He prefers calm and balanced emotions. Don't be too intense or clingy. Be someone he can relax around. To make a Gemini man fall in love, connect with his mind, give him space, and keep things fun. Be smart, playful, and a little mysterious. If he feels mentally and emotionally free with you, his love will grow naturally. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.